Good morning. So today we're gonna do a day in the life vlog. So I'm wearing my PJs still. Well, I threw on a sweater. That doesn't matter. I figured I'd take you along in a day in my life. So today that I'm filming this is Friday. Friday is kind of my like half day of work. Monday through Thursday, we are so lucky that like most of our parents have retired. And so like my dad comes over throughout the week, Tyler's mom comes over throughout the week to help watch Gigi so Tyler and I can work. The problem we've realized is that we both work from home, and boy, I'm like, oh, certainly I could just be watching Gigi and work. LOL, no. But Fridays are my day alone with Gigi, and it's very exciting, isn't it? So we have a play date planned with my friend Emily. I have two friends, Emily. It's very confusing, I know. Hard to keep up. But it is breakfast time, so I'm gonna feed this little monkey. Who's that baby? Ooh. So the coffee I'm gonna make for myself today is from Green Mountain. This was actually like on clearance at a grocery store near me. I was like, yeah, jackpot. And it doesn't expire till July, so I'm like, sweet. So it's caramel vanilla cream. It has like a slight flavor. It's not sweet or anything. It's still black coffee, but I really like it. And if you like creamer or you don't really like sweet, but you want a little milk or half and half, it just kind of enhances the flavor that's in there. So I've been enjoying this. So which mug? I've got my Haunted Mansion mug. We trade out our mugs from time to time. I love this one. I think I got it like TJ Maxx. The puffs she's eating, by the way, are from Happy Baby. We're having some baby oatmeal this morning. It's like half regular baby oatmeal and half like strawberry. She can now eat any food we're having. So we're kind of working through, like we bought some baby food and stuff like that to kind of transition. And now we have a lot that we're working through. So, but she's eaten, like last night, she was eating our food with us. What did we have last night, Gigi? I don't even remember. We're going through this really fun phase with Gigi. We're trying to teach her baby sign language for like food and for more, because she's at this point where when she wants more food, she just screams. It's not crying because she can't really communicate. So it's been an interesting kind of week or two. I know you like scrambled eggs. Do you want some scrambled eggs? She says, yes, please. So real talk, I feel like that kind of stuff, like sharing about her, you know, she's not really eating the oatmeal and stuff. I feel like a lot of people cut that kind of stuff out of videos like this. And to be quite candid, I was like, I'm gonna cut that out. People are gonna be like, oh, you just gotta try this, or you just gotta try this. I'm like, you know, you don't know my kid. You're not here with her all day. So I was gonna cut that out because I was like, I don't even wanna deal with it. But you know what? I'm done catering to mommy shamers out there that know so much better than you could ever possibly know. And you know, yeah, there's a lot I don't know. But there's also the internet, and the second you research something, you find about 15 solutions. And you better believe I've already looked things up. You know what I mean? Who wouldn't in this day and age? So I'm not gonna cut those kinds of things out, because I think those that are moms or dads or parents or caregivers, whatever, out there might wanna hear that, because they might be like, oh my gosh, my kid was doing the same thing and blah, blah. I'm gonna get off my high horse now. Okay, I'm done. Good morning, my handsome prince.
Good morning. There was no warning before
the vlog turned on. Yeah.
So we got this.
You're the vlog master. What is it?
I know, but usually like, hey, I'm gonna vlog. It's just like,
good morning, sir. What mug is that?
So we got this in Branson when we were there at the Titanic Museum, and that was awesome, by the way. But we never use it because it's so small. So I'm actually gonna try and use it today. That's the whole story. But oh, they had different levels of service, right? And like this is a recreation of one of the mugs they used on the ship. And this was this the top? Second? I
think it was second class.
Second class? Well.
So we are watching the Goldbergs. I'm finishing the eggs she doesn't want, and I'm gonna have a banana, and then we gotta feed our other baby, Pinocchio. Do you want some breakfast? So I'm so starving, I'm wasting away, can't you tell? Pinocchio, are you a good boy? Tail wag. So it is now a little after, or a little before 9. I'm gonna do my 5-minute journal. I've been doing this for a while, but there was like a month where I just kind of dropped the ball on it, but I'm getting back into it. You write things you're grateful for, what would make today great, and then just kind of an I am statement, whatever you, like for me, I'm like, whatever I feel like I need to feel, that's what I write there. So that changes every day. And then at night, you're supposed to write 3 amazing things. So sometimes like in the morning, I'll reflect on yesterday and fill that out and then go into the next day. So use it how you want, but I've been enjoying it. I'm gonna do that, and she's just kind of playing around here. Gigi, let's read some stories. So she's just chewing on them. We just read Rainbow Fish. This one's really cute if you have a kiddo or like a grandkid or anything, Peek-a-Hoo. She's like, yes, dance party. We listen to Disney Junior nursery rhymes on Apple Music. Wheels on the bus come. It's finally time for a shower, thank goodness. So she's napping. So I'm gonna shower and get ready for the day as fast as possible because, like I said, we're going on a little play date. I kind of figured I'd do an impromptu, like what's in my shower. So I've got a couple cleansers in here. I'm almost out of the L'Occitane Imortelle Divine cleanser. And then also really almost out of this Aveeno 60-second facial. And then this is newer, it's a new launch they sent, Living Proof. It's their triple detox shampoo. It's one of those kinds of things that like I use maybe once a week just to get all the gunk out of my hair, to kind of really cleanse it. It's not an everyday cleanser, but I'm really enjoying it. And I really love my Briogeo one that's like the scalp cleanser one. I'll put a picture on the screen right now. Love that stuff. But I like that this is in a squirty bottle. It just makes it a little easier because the other one's in a tub. So, but I really like both. Whoa. This is a newer product to me from SheaMoisture. You can buy it at the drugstore. It's a firming and toning like oil. And I always put body oil. I started it when I was pregnant and I've been doing it ever since, and I kind of just love doing it now. This is a Basin sugar scrub that I really like. It kind of got separated. I love Basin products. You can get them online. You can also get them in Disney Springs in Orlando, and also at the Grand Floridian. Anyway, and then this is brand new. I'm just now trying. It was sitting in my like drawers waiting to be used. It's this Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, kind of like a deep conditioner. I will have to let you know if I like that. This I bought at the salon I go to, actually. It's from 11 Australia, and it's this Hydrate My Hair Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I don't know that I love it, to be quite candid. It's okay. It's okay. I have these giant tubs, so we've been using them up. And they were expensive, but I don't think I would need to buy it again. This is my favorite body wash, the Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash. I just bought a giant thing, but it's almost out. I didn't just buy it. I'm almost gone with that. I just cracked open a brand new of my Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oil. It is like revolutionizing me shaving my legs. It's just really, really good, and it's not in, you know, it's not one of those foams, so it's a very different, oh my gosh, we have a group text going on, and the texts are gonna drive me crazy right now. Anyway, I really, really like this stuff. I bought, well, this is probably my second one. And then this Dove one, we actually bought a 3-pack, and the smell kind of makes me sick, so I stopped using it when I was pregnant. And I really do like the Aveeno better, but I'm like, Tyler, we have like 2 brand new ones of these because we bought like a 3-pack at Costco. And so he's helping me use those up. And then Tyler is gonna be using, we just got this in PR, and I was like, I don't really want it, but it's a brand new product called Sleek Shot, and it's like an in-shower styler, and you mix it with your shampoo. I don't know. I was like, Tyler, you might like that for days, because he actually does blow dry his hair to make it kind of go the way he wants it to go. But I said, well, for those days that you don't have the time to do that, you might like it. So, and then he's got his like Dove Men. He says that these are the products he uses when he's in a rush. So he likes having like a 2-in-1 kind of a thing. Although this is just a shampoo. What? Anyway. And then that one for when he's quickly shaving in the shower, but most often he shaves at his sink with other stuff. And then this is like the most exciting new product I'm using. It's from DevaCurl. They sent me a bunch of PR, and I do have more like wavy natural hair. So they sent me these to use, and I am really, I've only used this much. I've used it about 4 times. You guys, it makes a huge difference in the way my hair ends up looking in the end. And I've never found a shampoo and conditioner for curly hair that really did that. I like the Briogeo like curly hair, but since I do have more waves, guys, I'm really enjoying this. And then I just have a few shower cleaner kinds of things here I bought on Grove Collaborative. I have a referral link for them. I love all of the products I found from them. We use the daily shower, we use the tub and tile like to get the grout clean, which we need to do again. And then a squeegee and a sponge I got from, I think the sponge is one of the walnut scrubbers from Grove as well. So I think with my referral link, you get like some free products with like if you make a first purchase. So I will put that down below if you are interested. I love it. Okay, I'm just out of the shower. and Gigi wasn't in her bed, and I had told Tyler, I'm like, hey, I'm listening out for her, but like if she's like screaming, crying, would you grab her, you know? They're down in the basement. Oh, hi Gigi, you didn't want to take a nap?
She said no, I did not.
What are you doing?
She's out playing piano.
Wow.
I said no, now I want to
I'm
go to
shy. Yeah, you want to cuddle? Hi, monkey. Wow. Runny nose girl. So now is the time that I actually get ready. She's laying back down. I fed her a little bit more of a bottle. She's still kind of fussing, but she'll usually, I've been watching her, she usually finally just lays. She lays face down. I'm like, so I'm going to get ready really fast, and then by the time she, knock on wood, wakes up from this nap, it will be time to go. So I had to show you guys this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear I'm using with, without. That is a stark difference. Look where we are. This is Emily. Have you been in a vlog? Have I had? No. Oh my gosh. How exciting.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, Dexter. We've got 2 babies with colds, basically.
Yeah.
They're like twins.
Germ factory.
Hashtag germs.
Running around.
So exciting.
Love that.
Also, they have like way cooler toys than us. So Gigi's like, oh my gosh.
Listen, it's too much. I don't even have this many toys.
Right. I was telling Emily, I'm like, we need to baby proof our house, and they've already done like cabinets. I'm like, I need to steal some ideas.
Well, Dexter walks, so
Way more dangerous.
it was a mess.
So we were just talking about how, here, I'll scooch closer so
Okay.
it's not quite as awkward, and we'll try to keep an eye on. Oh, does he have wine glasses?
Oh yeah, hold on, he's drinking some wine.
Gigi, what? The reality is this Playdate is really more for us than for the babies. We're just like also the babies are here.
Yeah, the baby's, and this one lives here, so he can't.
So he's like, hey. We were talking about like the realities of like being moms and being like, I'm like first year nervous to even go to the store with your
Yes.
kid alone. Like,
It's terrifying.
it's so true though. Like I thought I was completely alone in that. Like, I'm like, well, if I go to the store, like, do I bring her car seat in? Like, what if she poops? Like, she's gonna have a meltdown in the cereal aisle.
She is going to poop. There will be. So
There will be poop.
my favorite story to tell is I took my stepdaughter Amelia to her school carnival last year by myself, just me, 6-week-old Dexter, or like maybe like 6 months. I don't think I would have taken him out of 6 weeks. Maybe it was like 6 months, and Amelia at the school carnival. I was already sweaty because there were so many people, and like Dexter, I was like trying to maneuver my giant jogging stroller around this like elementary school that was full of kids screaming, parents looking at me like, and I'm covered in spit up. That's my designer brand at this moment. And so like, and so I'm already sweating. Amelia's running around. I can barely keep track of her. And Dexter, and so I start to smell something. And I'm like, you have got to be kidding me. And so I go to the 3rd grade bathroom. It literally says 3rd grade bathroom.
Cute.
And Dexter is just covered in poop. Just poop everywhere, all over the stroller, all over Dexter. I'm like, and I'm by myself, and Amelia's running around crazy, and I'm like, I've never wanted to just like melt into the ground.
Into a puddle, and then just slide under the door like Alex Mack.
Very
Look, Gigi, it's just like yours, but with different people inside.
Who are these strangers?
She said, ooh, yes, I'm gonna open and see my mom. Wait a second.
Who is this weird shirtless man? They're swimming.
Okay.
What if I just had like shirtless pictures of celebrities and Dexter's Who Loves Baby book? Like it was just like.
So your house looks so beautiful. Like, I need this in the background because like you'll see when you see it in post. It looks so beautiful and bright.
God, thank you so much.
Oh my gosh.
It's this Sherwin-Williams Mindful Gray paint color that we've chosen for the wall.
I'm really digging. I really am. All right, we're gonna head home. Both babies are like, we're done. We're done.
Can't hang.
Yeah, can't even hang. Oh, buddy. Say bye, everyone. Look at that. I feel like this is the most relatable.
So real. This is every day. Every day.
So like, now I just had 2 babies together and we've got it going on. All right, we're gonna go. Bye, guys. Okay, so I am home. I went and picked up Starbucks for Tyler and I because we've got a couple more hours. We're actually leaving to go to a hockey game tonight. I don't know how we get roped into these things.
Oh, but we're all going just because it's a big group of friends going. I mean, it's just something to do. You know, it's not like it's
$2 beer night or something.
It's like $3 beer and
Nickel
$1
shot
hot
night.
dog.
That's a John. Is it John Mulaney?
Yeah.
That's
It's
hilarious.
nickel shot night at O'Halligan's.
I think we're gonna die if we go to
nickel
O'Halligan's.
shot night. Also, I refilled the bird feeders this morning for the first time in like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and Pinocchio is on patrol. He's like, because he knows like the bird feeder's filled, so he's like
he's
waiting
waiting
for
for squirrels.
squirrel.
Are there any squirrels?
No, is that a squirrel?
Where are the
So what?
squirrels? So as I mentioned, I'm gonna cook a little bit early of a dinner. She finally went to sleep. So anyway, I'm gonna make some dinner. So this portion of the video is sponsored by HelloFresh. I've worked with them tons in the past. I love this meal delivery service. I've been using it for quite a while. I've gotten friends and family using it as well. So tonight's dinner is gonna be the Presto Pesto Panko Chicken. So we love using HelloFresh because we feel like it's the easiest way for us to make sure we've got really good meals planned for the week. We both love to cook, but we also don't have all of the time in the world. So a lot of these meals take under 30 minutes to make, which is huge. They have these beautiful recipe cards that are really easy to follow. You can choose between the classic, the veggie, and the family plans. We choose the classic. And what's also nice is we don't have to spend a lot of time meal planning. And on top of that, we're not wasting a bunch of food that maybe we bought for a recipe, but then we don't need to use all of it. They send you exactly what you need for the recipe, which I think is fantastic. In this meal today, it's got some chicken, it's got some potatoes, it's got some greens. It's a nice kind of balanced meal and it looks really yummy. I don't think we've made a single HelloFresh meal that wasn't absolutely delicious. So HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving, so you can get a lot of meal for your money. In the end, it's 8 free meals, which is 2 free meals in each of your first 4 boxes. And all you have to do is go to HelloFresh.com and use my code JessicaBraun80 for a total of $80 off. This food is looking and smelling amazing. I cannot wait to try it. I am so hungry. It smells really good.
Yeah, I could smell it up in my office.
I just love pesto. So anything like with pesto on top and then cheese and bread, please. That is delicious. I've already been eating the potatoes while I was waiting on the chicken.
What?
They're really good. This is what I was interested in because it was mixed greens, but then all you do is squeeze like half a lemon on it, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then just kind of mix it up. So it's so fresh. Like
HelloFresh?
Okay, so she's still napping and I am tired and we're gonna be out kind of late tonight. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna try to take like a quick power nap. My brother-in-law, Tyler's brother, Jason, will be here to watch her. So we'll kind of show him where some stuff is and then that will be that. We'll be on. Look who's here.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the Jason channel.
Oh, that's fun. Jason's Journeys, that's a real thing.
That's a real thing.
You don't know, he also had Jason's Journeys, which was when you were in Australia, and New Zealand.
And Indonesia.
I always forget you went to Indonesia. That's cool.
Yeah, I was there for only like 2 weeks, but
that's like
I mean,
a long vacation for many people.
Yeah, just in the context of the whole 7-month trip. That's not. It didn't seem that long.
It's a blip.
Yeah.
I'm still jelly. I'm a jelly bean about it. Jason is watching Gigi tonight.
That's
So it'll be awesome and exciting. Gigi's excited.
Yep.
And Gigi finally got a good nap in, thank goodness.
She's excited.
Anyway, so we are heading off to the hockey game. They're gonna have a ball and that will be that.
I mean, a hot dog.
We made it to hockey.
We're out here.
We're here. It was like,
How much were the hot dogs? $3 hot dogs? I think just $1.
$1 hot dogs, $3 beer. So we are, hi Ben. Very exciting. You guys know Laura. Maybe you know Glenn. Okay, we are back. Tyler's already asleep. We are so tired. But Jason's already left. Gigi's back asleep. And yeah, everything went well. We had so much fun. Today was obviously an abnormal day for us. Like, it wasn't obviously a typical day for us during the week. Is not going to a hockey game and having a play date and all that stuff. So keep that in mind. But I figured it was fun to take you guys along. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.